Hi, welcome back to my channel. I recently completed another YesStyle beauty haul, and through that I was able to discover some innovative beauty products that I can't wait to share with you. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let me show you what I have. Cheers! Now I love shopping at YesStyle because it has some of my favorite K-Beauty and J-Beauty brands, and also I get to discover new brands and new products, and it doesn't hurt that I'm an affiliate, so I get to review certain products and participate in certain things. But did a little haul. I think everything cost me around $40, and I just discovered some really cool stuff that I wanted to share with you. First off, I have got a new eye cream, all about skincare, so you know, I'm definitely interested in seeing innovative eye care. This is from TIRTIR. This is their collagen lifting eye cream. I noticed that it talked about wrinkle spots. It talked about collagen, all buzzwords that I want to hear when I'm looking at my skincare. It's a nice compact size, but it has a cute rollerball top, and look at this. So you can you push it down and the product actually comes up. See, the great thing is you can do like this, roll it in, whoop, put a little bit much, and then also put it in any other areas that you think might need just a little more love in the wrinkle department. So you can do forehead lines. I of course like to do my 11s, maybe some smile lines, and you're just rubbing in that same one pump of product. Eye cream you don't need to use a lot, so you can really do a lot, and it feels so cooling and so amazing, and you're giving yourself a mini eye massage thanks to the roller. So that's the first thing. This is the collagen lifting eye cream from TIRTIR. We're going to stick with eyes and go into the next. This is from MACQUEEN. This is a waterproof gel pencil liner. Now normally I pick colors that are either dark black or even blackish brown, but I noticed this one, and let's see. So the shade is number 5. I don't know that it has a name, but it's number 5. It's more of like a sparkly nude color, but this is so great for doing inside here, giving a little sparkle. I like to do that. Also, you could do a little bit here, a little sparkle, a little bit in your cupid's bow, just tiny amounts of sparkle. And what I really like to do during the day is, if I want to look more awake, I'll line my inner eyes with this, like so. It just gives me more of an awake look. So nice, multi-use, waterproof eye pencil. You can use it different things. I could actually use it for eyeshadow if I really wanted to, you know, put some lines, smear it out. So great eye pencil. There's one more product I have that could be technically for eyes. It's actually a multi-use pencil. Now, I don't know if you've ever seen these, but these are just really cool pens. You know, they remind me of the pens we used to have with the different colors, and you would push down, you get a color. Well, this is very similar concept. You push down, you get a color. So this is from Beauty GLAZED. This is the 4-in-1 makeup pen, and this is in the shade, I can never find colors. Okay, this is in color 102. Color 102. So what I love about this, it has an eyebrow, lips, highlighter, and eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Eyebrow is a nice brown color. Eyebrow. Eyeliner is black, and there were different colors, so if you don't want it as dark, that's a nice black. And as you want to flip, you just kind of go down and then they go up. I also have a highlighter, once again, for all those places I showed you I like to highlight. You can kind of see really nice sparkly iridescent color. Shimmer. And lip liner. And it actually is a pretty lip liner too, as you can see. That's everything in the pen. Super great to throw in your bag. Maybe you're going out for the evening, you don't have a ton of space. You can have this 401 pen, maybe a lip gloss, and you're done. in terms of makeup. So that's another fun one. And since I have makeup on my hands, let's go ahead and transition to the next one. This is a LAGOM Gel-to-Water Cleanser. Nice travel size tube. And what I like about this is I can put a little bit on all that makeup I had, and it just so nicely removes everything. Can use water, but it turns into kind of a water, so it starts as a gel and it turns liquid, and the makeup is gone. I didn't even use any water. I mean, I don't know if you're supposed to use water with this, but the fact that I didn't have to use water is just pretty cool. Okay, a few more. From LAGOM, I also got a Revive Essence Toner. This one, I'm not sure that it's super innovative. It's a toner, it's bubbly, it's nice. It's more of a hydrating, reviving toner than, you know, something that's gonna help with your pores, so I'm not worried about tightening, but nice travel size. Never can have enough travel size toners, so I thought this was fun, and it's just watery reviving toner. Let's get back to more fun. So next, from Heimish, I have the Artless Glow Tinted Sunscreen SPF 50. I love tinted sunscreens. I'm not someone who wears a lot of foundation, so just rubbing in my eye. So I'm all about wearing tinted sunscreens because I am wearing sunscreen every day, but a lot of the times I find that either the Korean brands or the Japanese brands, just their tinted sunscreens are too light. What I like about this one is it's light without being super, super light, so you can kind of see. It's a little bit more pigment than I'm used to, so I'm gonna put it on my skin. Doesn't completely wash me out, so do a little bit of that, and it goes on so nicely. You see that applicator? I can just, you know, do symbols on myself. One side with. I'm not wearing anything but sunscreen on my face right now, and it blends in so beautifully. Really nice. So this is the side with. This is the side without. You can see not a ton of difference, maybe just kind of a my skin but better look. And I'm getting that SPF coverage, and best of all, no pilling. That's such a big for me. I don't want the product buildup. I don't want it sneaking around, so like that. And last but not least, I have a lip glaze. I have from Judydoll, this is a Watery Essence lip glaze in this shade G6. Now, I've never seen a lip gloss like this, so this is what caught my eye and why I was like, yes, I must add to cart. You can see, kind of normal looking metal tube. And we go to here, and it's actually a cooling metal applicator. You twist the product up, little click. Don't want it to be too crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna twist up till I see it's a good amount of product. Don't want to get too crazy. And we apply. And just look at that glassy, beautiful, shiny finish. Nice for a night out. Really nice glaze. Goes on so evenly. Applicator is really just nice to kind of form around your lips, and it has that cooling effect because it's metal. I think it looks good. So, once again, this is the Judydoll Watery Essence Lip Glaze in shade G6, and it is the last of my newest innovative products that I found from YesStyle. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan of any of these products and which one's your favorite, or if any of them are ones that you're interested in using. I'd love to answer any questions you might have. And I got all these products from YesStyle.com, so I'm gonna put my affiliate code down below so you can shop YesStyle.com and get a discount. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.